Hello friends, families, future clients. Broker Nick here. Ayan, nandito po ako ngayon sa Barangay San Pablo in Santo Tomas, Batangas. So I'm going to feature yung si Valle Pio Executive Subdivision. Along the highway lang po, kita naman sa video, walking distance from the highway. And if i-feature ko yung kanilang townhouse na model unit, which is the Benito model. So, ang maganda dito, itong si Benito model, wala po siyang equity, walang down payment. So, if you're looking for pre-selling and ready for occupancy na property, ito po, I think this is the best subdivision for you. So, please keep on watching as I'm about to feature Benito Townhouse Model. Hello, welcome po dito kay Benito Townhouse Model. So, minimum lot size po niyan is 48 square meters. Ang floor area is 70 square meters. Meron po siyang carport, then 2-story po na property with an attic. So, papakita ko po muna sa inyo yung first floor. Ayan, so upon entry, makikita nyo na ang turnover deliverables po nito is semi-complete. Ayan po. So, meaning, nakatiles na po yan. Ang flooring natin, painted ang walls. Dalawa po pala ang CR nito, by the way, with complete bathroom accessories. Makikita nyo po ang service area. Then, pwede nyo pong ilagay dyan yung inyong smart washing machine. So, very spacious po ang first floor natin. Malalaki ang mga bintana, mataas ang ceiling height. And going to our second floor, makikita nyo naman po, nakatiles na rin ang stairs. Diba? Then, nakameron na rin po tayong steel handrails. Pagdating sa second floor, wala lang po siyang partition, pero complete na rin po. Then, makikita nyo po ang second bathroom. So, dito sa second floor, kayang-kaya po tayong magkaroon ng dalawang spacious na room. So, it's up to you. At ang bonus po niyan is meron pa po siyang small balcony. So, probably this will be your master's bedroom kung gusto nyo po siyang lagyan ng partition. It's up to you. Then, but wait, ayan pa po, meron pa po tayong attic. So, going to the third floor, makikita nyo naman po is ano na siya, complete finish na rin except po yung partition. So, it's an open space. It's up to you kung paano nyo po i-utilize tong attic area, whether another room or an entertainment room. It's up to you. Pero, meron pa po siyang ikalawang balcony para makita nyo po yung view of Santo Tomas. So, grabe, no? Napakaganda ng deliverables nito and without equity pa. So, feel free to inform me kapag gusto nyo makita yung computation. And nasa end na rin naman ng video yung computation. Ikot tayo sa subdivision. Makikita nyo ongoing construction. Pero mafe-feel nyo yung facade ng subdivision is napakaganda, napaka-homey. And yung vibe na Santo Tomas na province type, and yet 1.5 hours lang nasa Makati ka na. So, thank you so much for watching.